In this video, I will be showing you how to download and install Jupyter Notebook in Windows with the help of Anaconda. So let's get started. First thing, just Google Anaconda, and if you scroll down, you will be having anaconda.com. Click it, and here we will be having download now, get started. Click it, and we need to sign in with our account, okay? So either we can sign in with our mail, or we can use Google, Microsoft or GitHub account. So after you sign in, we'll be getting choose your download. We're also having Anaconda for Macs and Linux. Our choice is for Windows. So we'll be having this Anaconda distribution. Just click on this, and the installer will be getting downloaded. It is around 1.1 GB in size, so just be patient till then. Once the download is complete, just open it, and we'll be getting the Anaconda setup. Click on next, and click on I agree for the license agreement. Next, and this is going to be the default location where Anaconda will be installed, which is C users, your username Anaconda. If you have very less space in your local disk C, you can simply click on browse and change it to local disk D or E. Once you are finalized with the location, just click on next, and this is fine. Click on install. Once the installation is complete, just click on next, and we can uncheck this welcome to Anaconda, and we can simply launch Anaconda Navigator. Click on finish. So if you go to search and type Anaconda, we will be having this Anaconda Navigator. You can just create a shortcut. So we'll be getting this sign in option. If you want, you can sign in. I will just close it. You'll be having here Jupyter Notebook, which is ready to be launched. So you don't have to install it separately, okay? So just click on launch option over here, and you'll be getting Jupyter Notebook automatically opened on your default browser. Here you can simply click on new and select Python, and this will open your Jupyter Notebook file, and here you can simply run your Python code. So if you want to change the theme, you can go to settings, theme, and change it. And another thing is, every time if you want to open Jupyter Notebook, you don't have to open Anaconda and launch it, okay? So go to search and simply type notebook. We will be having here Jupyter Notebook. You can simply right click on it and select pin to taskbar, and that's it. We'll be having here Jupyter Notebook. Now if I close the Jupyter Notebook instances, leave. Also I will close my Anaconda. If I just double click on this Jupyter Notebook, so this is like a shortcut way of opening Jupyter Notebook. That's a video, guys. Do check the playlist of my channel. There are a lot of videos in programming and AI tools. Subscribe me. Thanks for watching.